Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily add image to your website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply click your plus in a section in edit menu, and you're gonna see headlines here, or you can add simply gallery, or you can simply add image. And then you can add like whatever image you want, like this one here. And when you do it, you just want to click on it. You can write a caption, or you can simply replace the image. You have options to choose, like you can have it like image with text here, or fill it, the whole site, adding animation here, and that's pretty much it. So this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you any. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.